Gen kesyon ki ka fè un fi souri, gen kesyon ki ka fè l réfléchi, epi gen kesyon ki ka fè l wè ou yon lot jan. Men sou pa kon ki kesyon pou pose, ou ka rate yon bel koneksyon, sou pa mèm remake sa. Nan video sa, ma pataje kek kesyon profond ki ka edo konen yon fi pi bien, epi kreye yon konvesasyon ki pa bi jam raz. Reta avèm jist nan fin video a. Sou nouvo sou chen sa, isi a nou pale de sédiksyon, relasyon fi ak gason. Sou eme tip video sa ou, abone ak chen nan epi aktive kloche la pou pa rate anyen sou nouvo video pou al vini yo.
I finally know how to live without hurting myself. I think that I am moving on cause I do feel less broken. I needed a sign, and this is a sign that I'm healing. I'm finally healing from you. I'm finally healing from you. I'm finally healing. I'm finally healing from you. I'm finally healing. I'm finally healing from you. I know I make mistakes, don't mean to come off hardy. I'm just an imperfect person in this imperfect world. But I'm learning my way under this maze that I'm running through. Now when I think of you, I'm fine. See a picture of you, it would eat me alive. And now when I think of you, I'm fine. And all of the wounds that were opened by you are now closing. I finally know how to live without hurting myself.